Alone, okay, we can move, but together we move faster, we move stronger. And if you've been watching us in the last videos we've been posting, is more educational, more informational content to help our community of business owners understand how important it is to start thinking about digital currency. We are growing and we gave in prior videos, and you can take your time and watch them. But the beauty in all this is the power of a community. Let's talk about that power through the marketplace Pai. Hi, my name is Achille Combat, and I'm the co-founder of wEquipu. By now, you may be familiar with me. If not, we working with our organization to equip business owners, to equip them around everything, relating to money, building their team, and leveraging on time as a tool for their business. And talking about money, talking about currency, the digital era is bringing a lot of innovation in how we see money. And we all, as a community, started building a collective project that we call Project Pai, with the vision to build a marketplace, a platform where Pai community or Pai network members can exchange goods and services from peer to peer without relying, without waiting, without getting validation just from a third intermediary or a third authority making decision on how our transaction need to go. So that marketplace, how is it built or how is it being put together is the purpose of this video. So a marketplace is just like the word said it, right? It's a marketplace, right? Where people can exchange, services or goods and services. But with our project or with our collective Project Pai, there are different ways, different opportunities to bring that marketplace live. It starts even already from how the wealth is distributed, starting from the tokens that we are collecting in this phase 2 of the project. Phase 2 meaning that we're not mainnet yet, right? We're not already a cryptocurrency, but that's where we're moving toward to by end of this year or early next year, 2022. So the marketplace already started between us pioneers collecting tokens, because the collection of those tokens is based on meritocracy, meaning that the more effort you're putting in to help the community grow, the more also you compensate it. And all is transparent in your app. And if you didn't join yet, you can join. We'll always put in the description some invitation code that you will use. Because at this point, at least for us being in already, we have built already our circle, our security circle. So anyone else who join, just take time and present or introduce yourself. So talking about the marketplace, it started already between us as the pioneers. Now, goods and services are not just what will be shared on the platform. Because one thing, if you notice about all social media making money today, is actually we paying them for our attention. Because you take Facebook, you take Google, it's because people are, always there. Or you take, You take, different other platform, right? Just your likes are creating money, but how much of it are you getting? How much? Nothing at all. But that's what actually is making money on the process in those algorithms. So for us in this Project Pi, we want to be able to compensate each member for their attention to the project. That's why the more you refer people, you give them more attention, right? You will be rewarded also differently. People attention need to be paid for. People time need to be paid for. So for each one of us as members, our time that we're putting in it, it will be proportionate, right? To how much then effort, how much attention, how much time individually we all putting. And in one of the prior video, I explained already or give a little bit an idea on how it works. The other beautiful thing is that it will help service providers, right? We talk about goods and services. It will help developers to come to a community and even test their product too. Because now we are one as a community. That's why with this big vision, there's a big vision because with more than 7.5 billion people on Earth, we're actually trying to target, we're trying to reach at least 1 billion of people. It's not going to happen by just one person doing all this work. So in this process, right, developers will be able, now there is a community where even testing their product, they can come in the community and test the product. Because you know what? If the product is good, then it will serve all the members who are part of then that community, if you're following me. So I will invite everybody that you will be referring, if you choose to understand what is the vision here. Because if we miss on the vision, we'll become a community of traders. We'll become a community of speculators, which truly in long term doesn't really bring the value around the currency. But it's the use of it between the members, between the businesses, that will help us all together as a community to see the value grow, to see the wealth grow. So the marketplace is so crucial to understand as a vision here. And our mission as a community, as a collective project, the mission is to be able to build a currency that can play the role of a mean of exchange. A currency, a digital currency that will be so well used by everyday people, that can be used peer to peer, is only keeping that vision in mind that will help us. Because if we all just first day we go dump all those tokens that we have been collecting, will be impacting negatively that vision. And the marketplace is possible, and it will be part of the application the more we grow in. Because developers are investing time, they're investing energy to keep also doing their part. Let you and I also do our part. Let more people know. Let's explain that at a very basic and simple way to people around us. Because there is no fear to have here. If you are like me, you will notice that every time you may be talking to your clients, to people in your family, there is a fear of the currency being virtual. How real is virtual? And in all our videos, we made an effort to show how it is similar to what is happening already right now with your hard money. But with the advantage, with the benefit on top of it, that nobody is controlling now your money, is yourself. And the only people who can make a decision on it is the people. The people in the network, the people in the community. So let's make this marketplace work for all of us. Let's keep just working on understanding the real meaning of this project, and let's keep sharing. Because again, alone we can move, but together we move faster and stronger. And everything we do is based on one single proverb. When you don't know where you're going, just look back from where you came from. Your humanity is teaching you a lot on how to handle and grow a sustainable business that you're building right now. How to interact with your customers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.